Venice feels both unique and familiar at once. The first time I felt smitten by Italy was during my visit to Venice a few years ago. The place is culturally rich, there is a certain charm in the chaos, lovely food, from Murano glass to Burano lace, a tradition still preserving and popularizing its rich handicrafts. Come along as we explore the city's most famous sights and stories. After about 1.5 years, we decided to have a holiday outside of Switzerland where we reside and India, our home country. I am super excited and have been dreaming about the amazing things we've planned to experience in this trip. We will be traveling to Italy by train as it is a more convenient option to do from Switzerland and a chance to do so with great views. From Zurich main station, we are traveling to Milan and then take a connecting train from Milan to Venice. Our hotel was aptly located in the shore of Grand Canal, giving us a glimpse of trade and tourists sail by. We will soon have a detailed video of our hotel stay here in Venice. And I must say, it was pure joy being tourist in Italy once again. After an early dinner of mildly seasoned tagliatelle pasta, we walked around the city to soak in the Venetian vibe and also to plan our next days in the city. With large city squares, beautiful cobbled streets, endless expanse of water, with floating gondolas adding an old-world charm, this incredible city can be explored either on foot or by boat. And during our stay, we did not miss the chance to do both. Stay tuned to our channel by subscribing as we bring to you our summer travel stories from Venice, Rome, Florence and Milan in the coming days and weeks. Thanks for watching.